front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When you're ready, click on Open. Now select OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout at the top. Then make sure that Infinite is on and close your app. Lastly, go into Tab menu and click on this icon of a pen and the paper at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down. Look for Caffeine shortcut over here, and when you find it, hold it and drag it. Then go back, go into Tab menu once again, and click on Caffeine shortcut to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!